don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And a girl CC the right sir.
Yeah, people, as you can see by the title.
Right down there, sir.
Yeah, I don't know what we are going to do today.
A story time about her.
First time, as many people we did do something like this already, but we never get to do it the right way because, you see me, kids did their own and stuff, but you know, say, yo, guys, right now, you don't see what the title says, so we're telling you everything and how it happened. And what go on, you see me, so people make sure you know,
like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe.
make
you
sure
me?
you hit the notification bell and put it on all.
Yeah guys, please me I beg you. And we are begging on 2,000 likes on the video.
Yeah.
You see me, so as you
2,000
click on
likes.
the video guys, please me I beg you support me. Like it, share it, comment. You see me guys?
And I just want to say thank you to all of our subscribers. We finally reached 18K. Thanks to you guys, because without Uno, we would reach 18K. Just continue share our video. Tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a cousin, tell an auntie, all the blind, you can watch it, everybody can watch it, you understand? So
yeah guys, so just continue support CC and Nathan. We really appreciate
we love you guys.
it. Yeah, we are asking for please watch the ads them for guys, watch out the ads them for you, please. Because ads them are helpful guys. And we'll have a next video for sure now guys. We'll buy it's a ring light but it's a tripod.
Yeah.
You know,
it's a ring light and a tripod in one.
Yeah.
So the
we're not gonna see what it can do,
ring
guys.
light part it can actually screw off.
Yeah.
And the tripod.
Use the tripod alone, but guys, me it tough, it bad, me it unique. I never see none like it.
Yeah, never see none like it.
We're not gonna see it, you see me?
Yeah.
So just
and
guys.
You see like the part where you have the remote for like turn up the brightness. For one is like a
touch screen. You see me guys?
Yeah.
It's touch screen and it come with all a little remote where you connect the Bluetooth
and screenshot your thumbnail. Me I tell you say it hot.
Connect the Bluetooth and a screenshot the thumbnail.
Oh.
Take picture, it take picture.
You can
it have the iOS for Apple, iPhone, and it have the Android. And it you just connect the Bluetooth to it, and then you just boom.
It's
you say
hot.
I'm gonna take your thumbnail.
You say it's hot.
Yeah, guys. So
it's hot.
Just stay tuned and watch out the video. If I never feel
Nathan's sister would get something like this.
No, because she scrolls.
She know a good thing. She know the good thing them. So I'm saying.
Yeah, people.
Let's get right into that video, guys. What
before that, guys, I wanted to go over to CC channel. Me I beg you know.
Yeah.
Please go over our channel, go subscribe and show her some support, guys.
Yes, guys.
You see me? She a post over there hard. Go over our channel, go subscribe to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop one video over there this morning about. I'm gonna drop on story time.
Yeah.
About how me the runway. But you can go over there, go watch it.
Yeah, runway?
Yeah.
And I really run with that. You just gas station.
What?
Runway and gas station.
Runway and gas station.
Station, what you?
No.
Station name, what you? Where you go?
They must say, I tell us I run one time, no?
Yeah.
And I reach out a station.
Yeah.
At one different time, that like at 2 times I runway.
Jesus Christ.
One time I did live a seafood.
Make that stay. Come. No sacrilege. Me nah this year.
So me at the eat. This year, this right there, so.
Oh, you have to be the
This year, this right there, so.
Listen. And guys, me I say, yo, after that we didn't know. So boom, so one day now. Kalish, me, she and her cousin now. The cousin in front, me the back of her cousin, she the back of me. She a drink a cheese, she a drink a Carl's, and I eat one cheese stick, no? Don't it? She a drink a Carl's, and I eat a cheese stick. Looking at the camera, babe. She a drink a Carl's, and I eat a cheese stick. People, you see me? So see me I walk, so you see as the youth goes, so now I'm reach one corner now. You see when you bend the corner there, you can't see but nothing round the corner, you know. So when the youth bend the corner, so now vroom. That's how I feel somebody hold me in my back here, so boop. And my belt, you see me? And draw me. One time I look at the little girl, they want to see her. Boom, boom. Draw me in the people and draw me back. So same time I don't go to boom and lift her up. But me lift you up. Yeah. The same time I go to lift her up. Me lift you up for me that. I'm gonna lift you up on you.
When I lift up people, you start kissing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I walk over in that bush with her, so boom. And meanwhile I walk, I tell her say CC I pull my belt. Meanwhile I walk, belt I pull, pants up, pull zip gun. You see me? So by reach.
Not tell the people them me I pull no belt. Tell the people them boy. Well, you know me I talk. What tell the people them
boy. And then I go so now
the
boom.
bruises. Tell the people them about it.
And then now I go so now boom people and I take the cheese stick and the calls from her and fling them away. You see me? Fling them away because I say you're right now. I say you're right now and I'm time for that. And cheese stick time, you see me? I say you want bag juice and cheese stick time. Right now I know say yo a time for you. Come. Dash. So I the people and I say alright now I go say you know a bush quickie, so you know which position and everything. You turn her around and me.
Don't stop doing it because of my love.
So I did it guys and I say no sir. I'm did it for about 15 minutes and I tell her say.
You know how long good boy did you try?
And I tell her say guys it nothing go on feet and I say no man.
Good boy say.
And then some I don't know what I just did it. I mean, I take my look at time and look at time because at the point I could go for no baby aisle or no look at nothing for help. You see me? And at that point it just finally barely go in.
Yeah, because me actually.
Yeah. It's one time. Alright, so I go so now guys. I'm going about 3 times I go so now and make 3 stop guys. You see by me. All of my thing bust up.
I mean like it's played, have a lot of bruises.
Stop it is more be like stop going so. Nobody going so. Me and say people. I'm gonna go there and me and say yo.
So you're there talk, but you never
I go to people and me and say no man. All head pad crack. Everywhere bust up. Me and say no man. And she said, yeah, me dead the same way, guys. You know we man stay, we not gonna make that stuff. Dead in the bush. I'm stay and then me see. Because we're not there too far from one of our cousin. We're about 15 meters down, about 15 meters away from one of our cousin house. And like him here walk one say, boss go so boom and come out here now. And the boss come out in the people. But him take him phone light and go so like him turn on him flash. You see me? When I try use sights. It's when he turn on him flash right and he go over here so.
And
him see we over there saying you know what him do? Him turn his light so fast and he no bother put back in light over the direction.
I know say we over there.
You know say over there already so he does. And I go on like he don't see me so I just stay there and stand up so when he gone hot it again you know people. Wicked until me see our cousin start, our cousin not come.
Next cousin will come again.
So me just go so boom and stand up and make she stand up because me and me still saying her dog clutch off and the boy walk past.
Him never see
me
no?
See what? Him not see none of we all know.
We could have killed him.
I'm dead there in the bush, me dead there. Guys, me tell us about me dead there. Find one position for me could have gone hard or fast. Me have to just think me look at time so. Because I tell her, I understand whole heap of pain. More than she. Maybe that bet me that feel more pain now. I say, Jaja, how would a little girl I get this from man? I don't feel too big. I'm dead so till you know. Guys, me dead so till you know say that feeling the boy walk past.
Him never see
me
no?
See what? Him not see none of we all know.
We could have killed
I'm dead in the bush,
me
dead there. Guys, me tell us about me dead there. Find one position for me could have gone hard or fast. Me have to just think me look at time so. Because I tell us I understand whole heap of pain. More than she. Maybe that bet me that feel more pain now. I say, Jaja, how would a little girl I get this from man? don't feel too big. I'm dead so till you know.
Feel
guys,
big.
me dead so till you know so that feeling they start come. So we start poop 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 and beat it up look how faster. Jesus Christ, you see, at the first me I see me ever. And it's so enough. So it's time I go on and turn. Take out my things to people. So excuse my language, me I try to make this appropriate as possible, you see me? Now I'm going to go and turn. Guys, a beer come like I want a piece me a piece. Come like a piece me a piece. She feel look and she say, Jesus Christ, I eat that. So she hear it and slap off the bush them over, there's a boom.
You say one night time, you have to hurry up and move my head. Look how most good boy put off from my head side. But no! Me I know, you know? Watch it.
Yeah, because I have to shoot her head fast because I tell us that people, it a lick like a rifle. I don't know what going on there.
Guys?
Boom!
The night that
You
is
see
like...
me? I say, yo, Gia just start. I did one time we do it that night, you know?
And then the next night,
again from about 5 o'clock. I tell us that from about 5 o'clock I dey on the work. 5, 6, 7 after 8. I never pop off, guys. I never get to do it because of the pain. And I did our father ask for and everything there. That make we did get to stop. You see me? Because I tell us the people pain, too much pain. Guys, I want me and that little girl that go through. You see me? Basically, that's everything, don't be.
Yeah. We actually want to take one thumbnail.
So, we enough thought that night video. So, guys, just remember, if you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be looking at the camera, no? Remember, if you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me, guys? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, people.
Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so whenever we drop another video, you will be notified and get a chance to win a shout out. So the first 5 persons to comment down,
get shout out.
Yeah.
You're sick. 5. No, you can't. That can't go right. That can't go right. Nobody page. Even if you give 5, somebody shout out. About 5 subscribers, either one of them will get either 5. We are going to do 2 persons in every video. Post notification shout out. So here how you get to do that now. Get a shout out now. You have to go. Here what you have to do. You have to go like as you come on the video. Like the video. Make sure you turn on the post notification and comment. Just comment enough time.
It
no matter, we're not going to no limit.
Anybody
will we see, say alright, the person comment more than 5 times, or we see that person, we are going to give them a shout out. You see me? No foolishness, no jokes. So in our next video, guys, just look out for that.
Please remember to watch the ads for us, guys. Please,
watch the ads,
guys, because without the ads, you know, you can't get paid.
So guys, just until then next video, stay tuned.